Yeah, so yesterday I was, geez, you can almost come out with sneakers on. Not today. It's about 24 hours later. Bam. So this is where I was to yesterday. Getting ready to make my trek up yonder. Won't be doing that today. As you can see, the fence is well snowed in. This didn't come on until like 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning. A lot of snow, like almost up to my knees. That is in places. Yeah, I know, I'm 5 foot tall, but hey, there's still a lot of snow. I don't know how long it's gonna snow for. Down there somewhere are some houses. A little bit hard to see today.